We are at Garden City Collegiate High School, and there are a bunch of camps going on.
Let's grab this fresh stick here, load that up.
My camp is carpentry, and we are making a table.
We have carpentry on one side, and we have the welding on this side.
We actually have 2 classes, one in the morning and one in the afternoon.
I am one of the 4 students in the afternoon welding class. Right now we are making cowbells by welding pieces of sheet metal together.
Well, what we got going on is our second summer camp with Manitoba Construction Sector Council and Seven Oaks School Division. It's just a wonderful opportunity to be able to work with some kids, to be able to give them some hands-on activities. Almost there, good job.
We started our tables around the beginning of August, and right now we're cutting our wood pieces, so we have different quantities of the wood we need, and then we sand them. We put them through the planer machine, and we've been using the miter saw too, which is like a circular saw. It's electric, but it's lots of hands-on too.
Seven Oaks School Division saw the value of the camps that we offered last year, and they asked us to do more. So we've doubled the capacity so we can reach more youth and get them more involved in the trades. That is so cool. And it's wonderful to see how many young girls are participating in these camps this year as well.
So everyone has their mask down, so.
This is the 3rd day here, and I absolutely love it. It's so much fun. It's not something you get to do on a daily basis, and it's interesting to see more of the hands-on activities you can do and part of the trades.
Nobody in my family really does carpentry, so it's fun to be one of the first. I have a twin sister, which she's also in this class.
Twinsies.
My mom signed us up together. Yeah, I think it's pretty fun, so I would consider it to be a future for me.
Always go in the direction of the grain.
Last summer camp, we had more of a focus on machine work, and this summer camp, we're looking more at developing some hand tool skills. So we're trying a new project with a new focus.
So this year we've actually also incorporated a bunch of different presenters to come to the camp.
My name is Eric, and I'm a presenter for Safe Workers of Tomorrow.
So we have presenters from Safe Workers of Tomorrow doing virtual presentations to all summer camps.
You guys took an opportunity to be here.
And we've also had on our welding side, Bonnie Pankratz from Axis Construction to actually show the different types of testing methods that are used when inspecting welding structures and foundations within construction.
Oh, we keep it fun. We keep it fun with our personalities, but not only that, with the activities we have.
3, 2, 1, nail!
Nail hammering contest or saw contest. We have a point system now, so the students that earn the most points is going to earn a $25 gift card at 7-Eleven's. There's a whole lot of Slurpees.
Yeah, all the kids are having fun. We have little competitions that are coming up for them with virtual reality, and we have a couple competitions coming up with who's got the loudest cowbell and little prizes for them. So it looks like they're starting to get really excited about making things and learning how to fabricate with metal.